Learn English in conversation. Just listen to this conversation carefully. Hey, have you thought about going to the shop today?
Yeah, I was actually planning to grab a few things. Need anything?
Well, we're running low on milk and eggs. Could you pick those up?
Sure. Anything else?
Maybe some fresh fruits and vegetables. And don't forget the bread.
Got it. Should I also check for any discounts or special offers?
Yeah, that's a good idea. We could use some savings. By the way, did you hear about that new grocery store that opened up nearby?
Oh, the one with the organic section? I heard they have a great selection. Maybe we should check it out.
Definitely. And if they have a loyalty program, sign up for it. We might get some additional discounts in the future.
Alright, I'll make a list and head to the store. Anything else you can think of?
I think that covers it. Thanks for doing the shopping.
No problem. I'll be back in a bit. Now we are going to analyze this conversation.
Vocabulary. Hey, informal greeting used to get someone's attention. Thought about, considered or contemplated. Going, planning to visit. Shop, a place where goods are sold, usually a store.
Grammar. Hey, the sentence starts with an informal salutation. Have you thought about? This is a present perfect construction, indicating an action or consideration that started in the past and may continue into the present. Going to the shop today, present continuous tense is used here, suggesting a current or future action.
Vocabulary. Yeah, informal affirmative response, indicating agreement. Actually, used for emphasis or clarification, suggesting that the speaker is providing additional information. Planning, intending or preparing for an action. Grab, informal term for quickly obtaining or purchasing something. A few things, refers to a small number of items or objects. Need, inquire about the listener's requirements or if they have any specific requests.
Grammar. Yeah, informal agreement or acknowledgement. I was actually planning. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past. To grab, infinitive phrase indicating the purpose of the planning, to obtain or purchase a few things. Need anything? Present simple tense is used in the form of a question, inquiring about the listener's current requirements.
Vocabulary. Well, used as an introductory expression, indicating a transition or continuation in the conversation. We're, contraction of we are. Running low on, in short supply or close to depletion. Milk and eggs, specific items in need of replenishing. Could you, polite form requesting assistance. Pick up, collect or purchase.
Grammar. Well, used to introduce the topic or provide additional information. We're running low on, present continuous tense, indicating the current state of shortage. Could you, polite request form, making the ask more considerate. Pick those up, infinitive phrase, specifying the action required to address the shortage.
Vocabulary. Sure, affirmative response, indicating agreement or willingness. Anything else, inquire about additional items or information.
Grammar. Sure, this single word response serves as a positive acknowledgement, expressing agreement or willingness to comply. Anything else? Open-ended question using the word else to inquire about additional items or details.
Vocabulary. Maybe indicates uncertainty or possibility. Some, a nonspecific quantity, suggesting a moderate amount. Fresh refers to the quality of the fruits and vegetables, implying recently harvested or in good condition. Fruits and vegetables, specific food items mentioned. And conjunction used to connect the two ideas. Don't forget, an imperative phrase, urging the listener not to neglect a particular task. Bread, specific item mentioned, indicating another item to be remembered.
Grammar. Maybe, an introductory word expressing uncertainty or hesitation. Some fresh fruits and vegetables, describes the desired items with the use of adjectives. And connects the first statement about fruits and vegetables with the second statement about bread. Don't forget the bread, an imperative sentence, giving a direct command. The negative form, don't forget, emphasizes the importance of remembering.
Vocabulary. Got it, acknowledgement, indicating understanding or comprehension. Should I, a polite way to ask for permission or guidance. Also, in addition to what was previously mentioned. Check, examine or investigate. 4. Indicates the purpose or direction of the action. Any, emphasizes the inclusivity of the items being checked. Discounts, reductions in price. Special offers, deals or promotions, providing unique advantages.
Grammar. Got it, a simple phrase indicating understanding or agreement. Should I also check, a polite question asking for guidance on an additional action. For any discounts or special offers, prepositional phrase specifying what the speaker should check for, providing more information about the action.
Vocabulary. A good idea, positive evaluation of the suggestion or plan. We could use, expresses a need or benefit from a particular action. Some savings, reduction in expenses or cost effectiveness. By the way, phrase used to introduce an additional point or topic. Did you hear about? Inquire whether the listener is aware of or has information on a particular topic. New grocery store describes a recently opened retail establishment selling food and household items. Opened up, started operating.
Grammar. Yeah, that's a good idea, informal agreement or approval. We could use some savings, conditional statement expressing a potential benefit from implementing the idea. By the way, transitional phrase introducing a new topic or information. Did you hear about that new grocery store? Past tense inquiry about the listener's knowledge of the new store that opened up nearby, relative clause providing additional details about the new grocery store.
Vocabulary. The one with, referring to a specific item or place previously mentioned. Organic section, a dedicated area within a store for organic products. A great selection, emphasizes the variety and quality of products. Maybe, indicates a suggestion or possibility. Check it out, suggests visiting or exploring the mentioned place or item.
Grammar. Oh, the one with the organic section, an exclamation followed by a clarification or identification question. I heard they have a great selection, past tense statement indicating information obtained from a previous source. Maybe we should check it out, a suggestion or proposal in the present tense.
Vocabulary. Definitely, an emphatic agreement or confirmation. A loyalty program, a system rewarding customers for repeat business. Sign up for it, enroll or register for the loyalty program. Some additional discounts, extra price reductions, or savings. In the future, a time frame indicating when the discounts might be received.
Grammar. Definitely, an exclamation affirming agreement. And if they have a loyalty program, a conditional statement introducing the possibility of a loyalty program. Sign up for it, an imperative sentence giving the instruction to enroll in the program. We might get some additional discounts in the future, a statement expressing a potential future benefit.
Vocabulary. Alright, informal expression indicating acceptance or agreement. Make a list, create a written record of items to remember or purchase. Head to, move or go in the direction of a particular place. The store, a specific destination, referring to a retail establishment. Anything else, additional items or information. You can think of, asking for additional input or suggestions.
Grammar. Alright, an informal expression indicating readiness or agreement. I'll make a list, future tense, expressing the speaker's plan to create a list. And head to the store, conjunction connecting actions, specifying the next step after making the list. Anything else you can think of? A question inquiring about additional items or considerations.
Vocabulary. I think, expressing an opinion or belief. That covers it, indicates that everything has been addressed or included. The shopping, referring to the task of purchasing items from the store.
Grammar. I think that covers it. A statement expressing the speaker's belief that all necessary matters have been dealt with. Thanks for doing the shopping. A statement expressing gratitude for the specific action of shopping performed by the listener.
Vocabulary. No problem, expressing that there is no difficulty or inconvenience. Be back, return to the current location. In a bit, a casual expression meaning a short period of time.
Grammar. No problem, a common expression conveying a lack of difficulty or inconvenience. I'll be back in a bit, future tense indicating the speaker's intention to return shortly.